Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and reviewing this Grooves Metal TWS Earbuds. Now this is the box, this is how it looks on the front, and this is how it looks on the back. We do have some highlights and specs, which I'll talk in a moment. Now these earbuds are priced at $16.99 on Amazon and $14.99 on its official website. So there is a bit of price variation, but you can take it as $1,500 as the base price. Now it's available on Amazon, Flipkart, Tata Click, JioMart and many other stores. So you can buy these earbuds anywhere, anytime. Now let's get on with the unboxing. First we have the earbuds, followed by the case. Next we have the user manual. That's followed by the USB Type-C charging cable. Now let's first have a physical overview. This is how the case looks. It looks pretty compact and has a squarish design. My first impression was as if I was looking at some kind of a moisturizing cream. It was so compact and it even looks quite pretty. Now the metallic finish at the top is what makes it quite different from other headsets. At least it makes it a bit more premium. As for the rest of the case, it's made of soft plastic and it feels really good to hold. Now the glossy effect is only for the metal part, and the rest of the case has a nice matte finish which also has a soft touch to it. Now on the front side we have the Grooves branding and a groove to open the lid. On the right side there's a small loop to hang it anywhere. On the back side we have the USB Type-C charging port and an LED indicator. On the left side and bottom it's completely plain. Now here's a closer look at the earbuds. This is how they look. Each earbud weighs about 4 grams. As for the case, it weighs about 37 grams with the earbuds on, and without the earbuds it weighs about 32 grams. On the back side there's a slight elevation, which is also the touch control area. Beneath that, we also have an LED indicator. On the other side, we have the ear tip, left and right branding, and charging pins. I didn't find any hole or a slit for the mic, but it's probably near the LED indicator. Now let's look at the pairing process. You just need to open the case and remove the earbuds from the case, and they'll enter the pairing mode. Now go to your phone, turn on Bluetooth, and search for Grooves. Just tap on it to pair. Now let's look at functionalities. Now these earbuds also have auto pairing feature, but you need to remove these earbuds from the charging case. Then they'll connect to your phone. Now once they're connected, you can tap once on left side or right side to play or pause the music or answer or end the call. You can tap twice to redial the last dialed number. You can tap hold on the right side to go to the next track and tap hold on the left side for 2 to 3 seconds to go to the previous track. You can also tap thrice for voice assistant. I've tested them all and they all work without any issues. Now these are the complete specifications. These earbuds come with 13mm drivers. It has IPX5 water and sweat resistance. The case itself comes with a 300 mAh battery, and on the whole it can give you 32 hours of continuous playback. As for the earbuds, they can give you up to 6 hours of playback, which is actually pretty good. Now coming to the review part, I'll start off with the case. Now this case definitely looks quite small, quite compact. It seems like the designer has completely shrunk the product to give you the smallest footprint out there. It is really small and weighs pretty light as well. Materials used to make the case also look quite premium and actually feel quite premium as well. But as it's in the white color, maintenance is gonna be a problem. Anyway, I really like the touch and feel of the case. Now as for the earbuds, they're completely made of plastic, and I have quite a bigger hands, and as you can see the charging case is quite small, and removing these earbuds is kinda hard for me. Anyway, I don't think it's gonna be a major deal for people with smaller hands. Now these earbuds also have a unique design. Like when you first look at them, they definitely look completely different from other earbuds, at least their directions. But once you put them on, they're pretty comfortable and they stay on there. I've tried them on while working out and they didn't fall off, so that's definitely pretty good. Now coming to the audio quality, I'll say it's pretty nice. There's no distortion at full volume, but it doesn't sound the best at 100% volume. To get the best results, set the maximum volume at 90% and you'll get the best audio. Bass is quite subtle, I'll say, so if you're a bass lover, you won't get the punchy bass. As for the calls, I'll say call quality is quite decent. Overall, it definitely sounds nice. Now the most interesting or the most unique thing about these earbuds are definitely its charging case. So if you're looking for something very compact with a very small footprint, then you can definitely consider these earbuds. So guys, what do you think about these Grooves Metal TWS earbuds? Do let us know by commenting below this video. With that said, see you next time. Bye bye.